How to make an email template inside Bizstackpro. You go into marketing and this is what comes up. And in this instance, it's called a snippet. And you add a snippet and add an email snippet. So the name, this is the fourth one of origin. Then I'll put the title after that. And then the subject for the email is there. Then you get the oh, let's not do that. Let's just do the first bit. If it's on 2 pages, it's easier to write the last bit in yourself. Okay. So it doesn't come up. I like doing the first name after there. So what you do is you've got a custom value that also it'll scrape from the form, the email form. So it's the contact first name. So what exactly is origin? Here's the simple answer. And I like to space it out, then it's easy to read for the customer. And then see cool. And then you can put your name. Or you can put it on with a custom value. Well, that's it, guys. And then you'll save it and you'll see why I've actually done 1, 2, 3. And it comes up in sequence and you can see exactly what the title of the email is. So that's why I don't put 1 origin, 2 origin. Then you know what exactly you wrote in it. And that's it, guys. If you want Bizstackpro with me, click the link below. We've got hundreds of bonuses that it's too many to go into. You will have seen me promoting a couple of them, and we get new ones every month. Next video will be how to put these into the workflow.